Foggy nights, moonless skies, and birds plunging to their doom. Welcome to Jatinga, Assam's most chilling enigma. Nestled in Assam, the village of Jatinga harbours a dark secret. Each September and October, on foggy, moonless nights, birds inexplicably dive into the village, only to meet their demise. Scientists argue it's the atmospheric conditions, disorienting the birds. But the locals? They whisper of a curse, of spirits luring the birds to their fate. Visitors speak of an eerie silence before the descent, and a silence that's almost supernatural. The air grows heavy, thick with anticipation and dread. Why do the birds die in Jatinga? Is it science, or something far more sinister? Unraveling this mystery isn't for the faint-hearted, but for those who dare.